Agambe ali fundamental change vajizala wakati vajifute nonsense. Agamba nikuluka.
Don't shoot! Bafu! He's alone! Don't shoot!
Citizens of the world, as you can see, our lives continue to be in danger every day. Right now we have been attacked by the Uganda People's Defense Forces and the police. As you can see, they have shot live bullets in our car. That is a bullet hole. That is a bullet hole right there. And not only there, they shot this tire too, right? And they even shot a bullet here, which was supposed to kill my driver. That is why my driver does not understand anything. Honorable Zaake survived narrowly, and my driver survived narrowly. This is where the bullet has passed. That is exactly what Museveni is doing to Uganda. I'm a presidential candidate, but I'm not allowed to use the main roads. I'm not allowed to access the people in the townships. But even tell those people to come down. Edi mutwe, mude. Very peaceful. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is what General Museveni, the presidential candidate, atakirizibwa kuyita ku nguudo eziri public. Buli wentuuka ku luguudo olwa kolasi ng'amagye ne poliisi basibawo ebimotoka nga batusindika mu kyalo. The presidential candidate atakirizibwa kwogera ku radio, atakirizibwa kutuuka mu bibuga kwogera n'abantu ba mu bibuga. Naye ne bwe tukiriziganyiza Nsanze mu luguudo balukadde amagye ne poliisi nga basimbyeyo emmotoka ne batulaga eno mu kyalo gye tubatudda. Bwe tuzeeyo olaba kye bakoze. Emipiira gyaffe bagikubye amasasi, n'ogweri bagukubye amasasi ne bagezaako n'okututta. Lino essasi eriise wano libadde lirina okutta driver wange, naye awonye, y'ensonga lwaki takyategeera atudde nawali. Mujje mbalage n'omupiira. I'm supposed to be in Kayunga. I'm supposed to talk to the people of Kayunga. They've blocked all the main roads. They've blocked us from accessing the town. Now, even when they chased us to the dusty roads, we're using the dusty roads, still they came and blocked the way. Now, we are going to walk there, or we are going to find an alternative.
Pola!
maaso.
Mwami byabakama n'akakiiko k'ebyokulonda ffe nga bannayuganda twagala muveeyo mutangaze ensi oba ddala mmwe muli mu mitambo gy'okulonda oba poliisi n'amagye yawamba obuyinza bwammwe nga bwe kirabika. Mwami byabakama either vaayo oyogere mu ddoboozi ekkangufu ng'amateeka bwe gakulagira oba olekulire tumanye nti ddala kye tulaba kituufu poliisi n'amagye byawamba enkola y'ebyokulonda.
Munku naddala enkuŋŋaana eziddako kamuliwa n'ebitundu ebirala bigenda mu maaso.
Kye tuzaako tubadde tulina okujja tumekinga sure bannaffe bali bulungi era eno ambulance egenda bavuga ebatwale mulago basobole okufuna obujjanjabi obusingawo. Ffe twabagamba era tuddamu bategeeza nti tetugenda kuzikiza era kati tweyongerayo. Tumanyi nti bakola bino ebikolobero okutulemesa bankwata ne bansiba Nalufeenya ne batulemesa okutuuka mu disitulikiti 15. Bino ebintu Museveni abikola okutulemesa okutuuka mu bantu abantu basobole obalimba naye nga ffe tebatukkiriza kwogera nabo. Tetugenda kukkiriza kuba tumanyi kye tukola kiri mu mateeka era poliisi ensi yonna ebatunulidde nga mugenda mu maaso okweyisa mu ngeri emenya amateeka. Tetweyongerayo kati ssaawa zino Jinja era tugenda kusula akamuli. Yeah, so today, as you all saw, right from when we tried to access the first venue of our campaign, we were blocked by the police. Apparently, we were not allowed to use the main road. We were diverted to the dusty roads. But no sooner had we gotten to the main road again, that the police attacked us, tear gassing us, and firing live bullets. This they've been doing for the longest time of our journey today. So when I stopped to go and ask their commander why they're behaving in such a criminal matter, that is when all hell broke loose. They started firing live bullets and tear gas canisters. It is evident they were targeting my life because when the head of my security, Afande Kato, tried to save me, he was shot in the eye. He almost lost his eye. And when my close confidant Dan Magic, the producer, tried to save me from a tear gas canister that was aimed at me, they hit him straight in his face, shattering his face, cutting it in two, and removing his teeth. They also took off 2 pieces of his fingers and his hands. They're all shattered. That is how criminal the Uganda police continues to behave. That is how criminal the military continues to behave. But again, this is what General Museveni had said on TV, that people will be shot and killed. I really wonder why the Electoral Commission is continuously silent on the illegalities. So to the Electoral Commission and Mr. Byabakama, kindly come out and tell us whether or not you're in charge of this election. And if you're not in charge of this election, please resign so that Ugandans can know the true stand. It is evident that the police and the military have taken charge of this election, which is so criminal, which is not acceptable.
Wadefunye ebisago nengi okuba bulungi ombaka nga president atuuse entebe mu ntebe ombaka alungi ombaka ajja kuba bulungi wadde bamukubye naye ajja kuba bulungi.